It's that time of year again. There's a nip in the air, the squirrels are going nuts, and the Christmas ads are coming a week earlier than the year before. But of course, the crown jewel of autumn is when the leaves change color. Reds, oranges, yellows, it's really spectacular. But it kind of makes you wonder, why do the trees do it? Seems like a lot of fuss to change the color of your leaves just to drop them on the ground a week later. But to answer why they change color, we have to kind of look at why they're green in the first place. A tree's leaves are like tiny factories, using an incredible assembly line to turn carbon dioxide from the air into glucose sugar that the plant can use as food. In the top layer of the leaf, there are lots of tiny structures called chloroplast, and each of these structures contains pigments conveniently called chlorophyll. Now, the chlorophyll appear green because they reflect green light, but they are very good at absorbing red and blue light. You know how sunlight feels warm on your skin? That's because light has energy. The sun is basically a giant nuclear fission reactor, and part of the energy that it releases is the sunlight that reaches the earth. The trees use this light to power the reaction, and as I said, the pigments in the leaves absorb the energy from the red and blue light. But sunlight is the entire color spectrum in it. So if you're limiting yourself to red and blue light, you're going to be wasting a lot of potential energy. So in order to take advantage of more of the spectrum, leaves actually contain a lot of other pigments, including carotenoids, which produce a yellow color. And some trees, such as the sugar maple, have anthocyanins, which produce a red color. These extra pigments can help absorb the green light that otherwise would simply be reflected. Most of the time, the chlorophyll take up more space, so the leaves appear green. But during the winter, there just isn't enough sunlight for these leaves to produce enough energy for the tree to maintain them. So, the trees drop their leaves. But before they do, they've already stopped investing the energy needed to produce the chlorophyll. And as the chlorophyll disappears, they reveal the colors of the other pigments underneath, turning the trees the beautiful colors you see every fall.